One of the great parts of Living 808, it might be time for staycation. We know the place for you, newly refreshed suites on the beach walk with shopping close by.
Yeah, sounds like the spot, doesn't it? We're talking about the Embassy Suites by Hilton and Waikiki Beach Walk, and they have something for Kama'aina.
Time to tell our Living 808 Ohana all about a great opportunity to get into Waikiki, to have a staycation and enjoy beach walk. I'm joined right now by Simeon Miranda, the general manager of Embassy Suites here, and also Nicole Morisugi from Waikiki Beach Walk. Thank you both for joining us here on Living 808.
Thank you, Tanya. Aloha.
Aloha. Well, Simeon, let's start by talking with you because I know that you've had a great remodel. It's a great time, especially for locals and military to come check out the property. Tell me about some of the upgrades and what's happening now.
We've renovated our suites so that you can take advantage of the culture that we emphasize, the sense of place, where we have new art that's local art that talks about the Waikiki Beach and the destination. But it's a great place to be.
I want to ask for people who might have stayed there before, what will guests experience as they come into the new refreshed suite? And are you in one of them right now? That looks beautiful, if that's a sample.
Yeah, well, thanks. Yeah. So, the only en-suite property in Waikiki, what we'd like to say is that, this is really a home away from home where you have 2 rooms. So you can relax in the living area and then you have a private bedroom. With that, you have great amenities. We serve a breakfast, a hot breakfast, every morning. We have a great location right in the heart of Waikiki. And we have great public space. We have a large pool, we have a fitness center, and we're right under the Waikiki Beach Walk where there's great shopping. And we're anchored with some great restaurants like the Yard House, Roy's Restaurant, and Ruth's Chris.
And you've also, like every other property, done a lot with making sure the guests are safe. Tell me about the CleanStay measures.
Of course, face masks are required throughout the property. We have hand sanitizers in every location in the public areas. Also, being an honors member, you could be on the honors app where you can have a contactless stay with us, where there's digital key where you don't even have to check with the front desk. And in your suite, of course, we have these touch points that the housekeeper really focuses on. We make sure that that whole suite is sanitized, and we end it with a seal on the door. So we're very proud of that.
Reassuring and a great time to check out Waikiki Beach Walk. Nicole, I want to ask you about some of the promotions happening right now that might entice more people to want to come stay and play in Waikiki.
I'm really excited to share with you our new Kama'aina and Military Shopping Pass. And it's a collection of discounts at our retail, dining, and service shops here at Waikiki Beach Walk till the month of September. And so I'm already really excited, and I've already used my Coco Mango 10% discount. And it's just really great to be able to offer that to our local market. And we're also doing our complimentary valet parking here. So parking in Waikiki has never been easier. Every Tuesday evening at 5:30 p.m., we host a live Hawaiian music series called Kuha'aheo, and it's hosted by our cultural advisor, Blaine Kia. And so it's really fun, and it's a really great way to end your workday on Tuesday with some live Hawaiian music.
Of course, there have been big changes right now. I want to ask you what the property and Waikiki Beach Walk, vendors have done to really embrace the changes. Simeon, tell me first about the hotel.
Well, the CleanStay program is a great program. The first thing we do, of course, is train all our hosts to make sure that they understand what that program is all about. And through the comprehensive training, they get certified. And only then they can go to the public areas or to each suite and make sure we cover those specific points. But after that, I think they're more conscientious, they're more aware of what they need to do to make sure that they're safe as well as all our guests are.
Our shops and restaurants at Waikiki Beach Walk have really taken creative and innovative ways to be thoughtful at this time. And so we're implementing curbside pickup for all of our restaurants. We've pivoted at different moments, and Termina Sicilian Cuisine is even creating and preparing premium pasta meal kits that you can take home and enjoy. If you're a Bolognese or Grancio fan, I highly recommend these. They're very good and just such an awesome thing to bring to your home.
Well, it sounds excellent. I know our family watching, the viewers, will be interested in taking advantage of this. So thank you for coming on Living 808 and telling us about this.
You know, there have been so many changes, but what hasn't changed is that people want to get away and to get the deals and to save the money and also to support local, to know they're safe with all those clean measures in effect there. So it's certainly a good time to try and do it. I know a lot of people do have fall break as well coming up next week.
It's such a pretty place, too, especially lit up like in that one of those last shots. It's so pretty. And then, man, the food, everything, they've really made it a nice place to be around.
I know. You almost wouldn't want to leave, though, if you get checked in. You're
Yeah.
like, getting you out by the end of the stay. All right.